Yesterday, I shared with you exactly what to post Monday to Friday to get clients. Now, today, I'm going to be telling you exactly what to post on your stories. Because believe it or not, what a lot of people do is they'll post something on their feed and then they'll just share it to their story. Now, by all means, sometimes you can do that. But believe me, if you're an online fitness coach and you want to grow successfully online, you have to understand that on your feed, what you post on your feed does not get you clients. Where clients come in from is from what they see on your stories. So in short, your feed builds authority, right? And your stories build trust and connection, and combine both together, then they will buy from you. So I used to think that what you post on your feed, just post it on your story. But it doesn't work like that. And I think it was in about 5 years ago, 6 years ago in COVID, there's a guy in America called Wes Watson, right? So he was an online fitness coach. I think right now he's in prison. So this guy was getting like 40,000 views on his story, like every single day. He used to post like, I think 20, 30 stories a day. And I paid him to understand exactly what his strategy is, what is he doing. And it turns out that your story strategy should be your daily life. So like in your day, you go through ups and downs, right? You wake up, sometimes you're pissed off, sometimes something's happened at midday and you're really angry, and then at 2 o'clock you're happy about something, and then 4 o'clock something else happens. So your daily stories should be people when they are following. It's like they're following your day. So think of it like a reality show or some sort of a drama series, just not a classroom, right? They don't want to learn things on there too much. It's more about what are you going through. And the more real you can get, the more vulnerable you can get, the more people will build that trust and be like, you know what? This person's just a genuine, authentic person, and I want to be part of what they're doing. And this is why, if you're not perfect, it doesn't matter. Like, there's a saying like the mindset coach needs a mindset coach, right? The fucking person who's a fitness coach is probably one who needs the most help in their own accountability. Like, and it just goes on and on. Sometimes you could be great at something, but you could be terrible at another thing. And I'm saying all this to say that, number one, understand your stories should be a reality of your daily life, which is really difficult because you have to be real, right? If you're going through something, like if you're going through a bad day, talk about it. If your client gets a result, show it. If something isn't working, also show it. And if something is working, also again, show it. Like wherever you go for food, show that as well. If you try something new or you're about to try something new, bring them along. Give people a reason to wonder. I wonder what's going to happen today in their life. So this is the first thing you do. You need to understand the strategy behind what you should do on your stories. Then obviously alongside that, because you're a fitness coach, you're going to be training, you're probably going to be doing 10k steps a day. Like explain, like let's say you do 10k steps a day, why do you do it? Like explain your reasoning behind it. Let's say you make something for lunch, why did you choose to make that for lunch? What's the reason? How did you work out the macros? And then with everything that you do that you can monetize, so in your case you're a fitness coach, let's say anything to do with training, nutrition, or some sort of personal development, what you can then do is put like something like a quick call, soft call to action, like, hey, if you would like to work out the macros for you, and which is personalized to you, then maybe click the thumbs up or click the heart emoji or click this. And then eventually what you want to do is like doing lots of different polls, and you want to be engaging with people. And what that does is it allows you to for them to be invested into a storyline that you're sharing, and for you to be engaging with, see who are the most people that are engaging with you. And then the more they do that with training stories, nutrition stories, your daily life, that's when you begin to start a conversation with them. Because remember, you're going to be getting new followers from the things that you're posting on your feed. Then they will follow you on your story, and the more you engage with them with questions, polls, and whatever else it is, the more you will begin to start conversations, and that will then turn into clients. So again, that is the overall view of what story strategy should be. There's a lot I'm kind of leaving out on the table just because I don't want to confuse you guys, but really I just want you to understand, if it's 3-4 lessons I want you to take away from this, is your feed strategy should be different to your story strategy. Your story strategy should be about your daily lessons, wins, losses, like a reality drama series show, and you should be doing a lot of call to actions along the way. Now there's 3 sort of call to actions. There's soft, there's a bit more medium, and there's hard call to actions. A hard call to action is, hey, I'm looking for 5 people who want to lose 10 kg in the next 10 weeks. If you are interested in this, I've got 3 spots available, enter your name below. That's direct and a hard call to a CTA. I still think you should do 2 of them every single week as well. But yeah, that is it pretty much. And this is something I'm also I know I need to do this myself as well, and I'm trying my best to kind of figure out a way of doing that myself. And I'm just sharing with you what worked with Wes, what worked with a few other people that do this successfully, but it fucking takes a lot of effort because really you have to show all parts of your day. So saying all this to say, if you are interested in learning how to grow your online business successfully and you feel like you have come to a bit of a standstill and you need someone to look at your business, figure out the constraints, and then help you win, click the link in my bio, come and see me in Manchester, where we will sit down and draw out like a plan to help you grow online successfully. In tomorrow's video, I will be talking about